Welcome to the Secretary Cottage. I love to collect old china and in particular English ironstone, and I also love blue and white. I just have so much of it now, I decided to go through my kitchen and organize. I don't have open shelving, I just took off a couple of my cabinet doors to kind of give it that look. And I do have my very useful corner cabinets in my kitchen nook for more storage. I was at an auction the other day and this vintage set of Johnson Brothers china came up, so I had to buy it, and it was only, the entire set by the way, was only $3.50. So you can see why I had to bring it home. It's honestly like the last thing I need because I have so much china, but when it's so inexpensive, I cannot say no. And the pattern is called Sheraton. This is Staffordshire, it's Old English ironstone, and the pattern is Blossomtime, and it's one that I've collected for many years. I've also picked up quite a bit of Johnson Brothers blue and white china, in particular the patterns Blue Nordic, Denmark, and Indies Blue. Those are some of my faves. I found this cookie jar at the thrift store with a crab on it, and of course, being in Maryland, had to grab it as we live on the eastern shore of Maryland where crab cakes are delish, and now it's where I keep my dog treats. And I also found this set of canisters at my thrift store, and they're very farmhousey with the farm animals on them. My husband and I went to the Netherlands a few years ago, and ever since I've been collecting Delft china, which is from Holland, and I find it on Facebook Marketplace, but really I find it at auctions or thrift stores. If I see a piece, I'll grab it. I certainly have enough teacups to hold a huge tea party. And other than the massive amount of teacups, I also have little bits and pieces in my china cabinet that I found over the years. And that is my collection of vintage china. Believe it or not, I have a ton of flow blue china in my dining room cabinet. So my house is now chock-a-block full of old china. One day maybe I'll figure out what to do with it all, but for now it's my hoarding obsession. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.